There are many different types of folds in origami, and some of them can be pretty confusing. Hi, my name is Robert Segundo, and I'm going to today just discuss a little bit about the petal fold. It's petal fold, leaf fold. I really can't remember what it's called exactly, but it's one of those things. And if you watch my video series on folding origami, you will see that I'll just kind of blaze through it real quick because I know what it is, but perhaps you don't know what it is. So what we're going to do is just to show you on this big piece of paper here, because sometimes whenever you're doing petal folds, they're really small. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show on this. Basically, this is just a kite base that I folded here, and this will hopefully give you a better example of how this works. What we're going to do is we're just going to take this edge here and we're going to fold it in to where it lines up with the center edge, like so. Now this is going to be one of those ones, you'll run into this every now and then. This is kind of the 50% petal fold, because there's another petal fold that will be like this but a bit different. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold the other one inside to meet it as well. There we go. Now what you're going to do is, most of the times with this one, what I can do, because what's going to happen is we're going to end up creasing it between these 2 points here. This is going to create a line here that we're going to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of pre-crease that by folding it. Sometimes you won't have that option when you're in the middle of some, especially a technical piece of origami. Now we're going to take this and fold this down, and basically we're going to fold these pieces into the corner. And this is going to push past. You can see this was our original fold, but we're going to be folding past that. Like I said, you will see this one about 50% of the time, and the other 50% of the time you will see the one that will actually fold along the crease that you have created. So, and this is usually the hard one because, your paper doesn't want to fold right, or it wants to, rip on you or tear. We'll just fold this diamond shape back down. And as you can see, this is our petal fold, and basically what I've done is I've turned this into a fish base by doing that petal fold. And this is basically it. Hopefully this will make this a little bit clearer the next time you come across it, or the next time you hear me just kind of say petal fold and just kind of blaze on through it like, everybody knows what I'm talking about. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.